Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar Rag and Bone Man. It was a while ago last time, but anyway, we have this new song called What Do You Believe In? Question mark there. And he believes in love, that's what he sings about. So Rag and Bone Man, let's take a look at this 3-chord song. And the best scenario for us, capo on first. That is the 3 easiest chords we're gonna use. So that's the best scenario. Capo on first, and we have the D minor, F, and A minor. Let's learn them together, starting here with the D minor, and that is open D, second G, third B, first E. We have F, bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the last chord will be A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we have this standard strumming pattern that we'll learn first, and then we'll take a look at some added notes to have some crazy good transitions there in the song. So we're gonna take this D minor, which is the first chord, and by the way, we're gonna play the chords in the same order as we learned them. So D minor, F, and A minor. So one string around will sound like this. Alright, so it starts with 1 down, so, and then a pause, and then comes down clap. So it's, okay, so you kind of fall forward in the way how it sounds and how you think about this strumming here when you play the first down there. Down, down, clap. Okay, so. And then comes 3 downs and a clap, and that's the final thing here. So 1 down and clap. So if you put that together, it will be down, down, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap. Okay, so a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm goes. Alright, so you're gonna play D minor 1, F1, and A minor 2. We can start there, and that is actually what's going on in the song from the beginning till the very end. So we're gonna do a couple of rounds of that. D minor, F, and A minor 2. That is 1 round. You can play that through the entire song. If you want to spice up this a little bit, then you can have this transition notes, okay? So what you do then is to start and play D minor and play then F, and after that we will have transition notes on the F chord. So it goes, and instead of having the clap there in the end, you add the 3rd fret E string. So that replaces the clap, okay? So it will be like this on F. No clap in the end. You replace that with a transition note, the 3rd fret E string in the bass. Then you go over to play A minor. You play that for 2 times. So you're gonna play. So the first round here you play, and then on the last clap there in the first round, you replace that with, again, the 3rd fret E string. Then you start the second round, and you play. Okay, so as soon as you play the first round, you have this transition note. Then you go over to the second round and play down, down, clap, down. So far you play on the strumming, and then you replace the down, down, clap and end with the notes. That is open A, 3rd A, and 2nd D. And then you start all over again on the D minor. So slowly, 1 round with all this replaced claps and notes, and with this new added transition notes, it goes like this slowly. you go and play round and round like that. So. Alright guys, so that is what's happening with Ravagin Bone Man's song called What Do You Believe In? So a big question there is for you to answer it. I just give you the song, how you play it and handle it with these 3 chords, D minor, F and A minor, and capo on first. That's it guys. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Give me this thumb up and play tuned.